How to auto scroll in Instagram Reels. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Now, since this is a very new feature on Instagram that has been added recently, of course, pull up your Google Play Store or any application store that you use to download Instagram. And then research for Instagram application once again. Now, the reason why we are here is just to make sure that we are currently running the latest version of the application, since this is a new added feature. So once you're done updating the app, simply open it and make sure that you're logged in into your Instagram account. Now access the Reels feature below, and then once you're here, just tap on the three dots. And then you should be able to see this option here that says auto scroll. You just have to turn it on, and your auto scrolls should be activated and enabled. And that is how you do auto scroll in Instagram Reels.